Oke.
Masa turunnya ini loh.
Iya, tuh apalagi tidak tahu kan tempat-tempat yang strategis di sini untuk berlindung. Ya,
Ini kan sabar pertama kali. Kalau Surabaya udah yang kedua kali.
Selamat datang di Malang. Sudah nggak sedingin dulu.
Tapi tadi sejuk dingin, enak vibe-nya.
Mas harus pergi ke tempat saya. Tempat saya di bawah kaki gunung Arjuno. Arjuno itu yang gunung paling tinggi itu. Ya, masuknya kabupaten tapi. Gitu.
Masih bawa gunung.
Ya.
Enak.
Iya. Tapi jauh dari sini.
Berapa jam di sini?
1 jam 15 menit bisa lebih kalau macet. Kayak tadi.
Lumayan.
Iya, lumayan.
Kirain kita
Tapi Malang bagian premium itu dan lebih sehat.
bisa bagus.
Mm-mm.
Sudah terkenal oleh Gunung Arjunanya.
Coba lah Mas mendaki mumpung nggak bisa ya.
Saya mungkin sampai pos 1 saya keren di Makassar, saya disuruh ke gunung. Aduh, saya kayaknya sampai di pos 1 aja. Saya tunggu sisanya.
Di sini yang paling pendek ada namanya Bukit Buduk Asu. Asu itu bahasa Jawa dari anjing karena pada saat itu banyak anjing. Itu sekitar 1000 mdpl, jadi masih terbilang bukit. Itu masih jadi tren.
Nanti fokus ini kalau ada waktu baru.
Amin.
Kalau nggak ada ya udahlah.
Ya,
Ilah next kalau
harus. Oke. Okay. Hi, it's me again, Miss Galuh, your English buddy. In the first video, we have already learned about how to assess and how to inform our weakness and strength. But remember, that's not enough. However, there is another area that is way more important to know, especially since you are a student, but in a vocational high school students, this Okay. However, there is another area that we need to learn deeper. We know that companies not only you know that companies are not only looking for technical experiences. No, that's not enough. But they also need you to have another regular Okay. No, they are not. They look for your capabilities regardless of your job, and that's called transferable skill. So let's move on to that. Okay, so having a transferable skills are important in this era. Why? It's because they boost Okay. So, transferable skills is important. You can get these skills during your school or during your internship sessions. And why this is so important? First, it's because it can boost Bentar, Mas. transferable skills can be developed on your schools or during your internship sessions. And why this is so important? Loh, salah. Transferable skills are important. We can get it during schools or during your internship sessions. And why this is so important? And why is it so important? It's because, yeah, transferable skill can boost adaptability and increase career options, shows versatility, and yep, transferable, transferable skill can help us future proof your career. Lagi mas ya. We can get transferable skills during your school or your internship sessions. But why is this so important? Because it boosts adaptability, increase career options, shows versatility, and future-proof your career later on. Okay, so for the first transferable skills, we have communications. You can use this when you feel like you do listen, speak, and write clearly. And teamwork can be used whenever you feel like you're working well with others. Problem solving, this is so important. When you feel like you can finding solutions in any problems, that will be your transferable skill. And for the time management skill, we can use this when you can finish all tasks before the deadlines. Adaptability can be used whenever you feel like, you can change and learning super quick. Leadership, when you feel like you can organize and motivate others, this will be your skill. Attention to detail. This means that we are being careful and accurate on what we are going to do or what we're doing. And the last one is work ethic. This is the last transferable skills and can be used whenever we feel like we are being punctual, reliable, and committed. Okay. And the next discussion is that interview setting. Interviewer needs interview you whenever. Yeah. Let's go to the next session. To truly understand your weaknesses and strength, interviewer needs to have the interview sessions. They got the basic questions. To truly understand your weaknesses and strength, interview. Oh, wait. Sebentar ya mas, saya editnya. Animationsnya kita non. And let's go to the next sessions. Interview setting. To truly understand your weaknesses and your strength, interviewer needs to move beyond their basic questions to dig out more informations. But then interviewer will mostly do the basic questions. Why? It's for an icebreaker or starting point. They want us to be prepared and give simple responses. That's it. But when it comes to, deeper, extensive questions, they want you to provide evidence, details, and proof, which use critical thinking. And you have to really listen to it carefully. And this is the examples of the automotive technology interview setting. And now it's your turn. Assess your abilities and limitations for a successful interview. Kok ini tidak ada anunya? Bentar. Dua. Copy. Strength. Okay. Kembali ke extensive questions. Yeah, when it comes to deeper or extensive questions, you need to be really careful in listening to questions. And you know what? They want you to provide evidence, details, and proof that, need critical thinking. And these is the examples of automotive technology interview setting. Now, now it's your turn. Assess your abilities and limitations for a successful interview. Thank you and bye-bye. Okay.